Poznan, Poland. So I just arrived in quite a bit far from Poznan city. It's actually about 20 minutes drive. So now I'm here in Lubon. Lubon is actually like, you know, the area close by my friend's house last time. So today we will meet again my friends, but today we will have a different activities. We're gonna enjoy you know, fun things together. We're gonna have a music, we're gonna create something, so many fun activities today. So yeah, now I am in Lubon Beach, so I'm gonna show you how it is. It's a very beautiful, sunny today and bright. In front of me, that's the ice cream shop and you know, like container, and this is the parking place, and that is the housing complex, and that's in front is the tennis court. So yeah, today we will have activities, fun activities here in the Plaza Mieska Lubon. So I'll show you around, and here is, wow, look at this. You see like many fun activities gonna be, and then we will be there in the container creating fun activities. So yeah, let's see. So there are so many performance here, and in front is the Warta River. So I think that people also can swim there in the Warta River, and so many people with the family, and we will have a beautiful activities after this. Oh, so nice, beautiful. See, everybody is enjoying the time. This is really like a summer in Poland, and look at the beautiful blue sky. Nice. And look at the umbrella over there, it's nice. Just like in Bali, tak? The umbrella with the grass. Oh, this girl is so talented. Wow, beautiful. And look at this, that's the umbrellas with the grass, exactly like in Bali, tak? Tropical, and they have a water also. Nice, very nice. Oh, look at this beautiful umbrella. I just get closer. See, I always find something that exactly look like in Bali, and people having a picnic here by the Warta River. Very nice. Wow, so nice, beautiful, nice. Oh, look at this, and you got the children here also. They have a painting class here. Very nice. And that is over there is the river.
Ale proszę nie wyprzedzać faktów. Chciałam wam powiedzieć o trochę innym podejściu do... Także bardzo to jest stoimy w takim cieniu, fajne, że ma się drzewa u siebie, ale jest to też innego potraktowania.
So now our task is we have to pick up the wild flowers from the grass, and then we will make something interesting like this. Nice. Oh, look like this, so many beautiful flowers here. Oh, look at this. Nice. Oh. Ta-da! And then we go there to make up something nice. Right, so look at this beautiful flower. I just pick up this one, and look at this, and look at this. They also prepared for the sausage, bread, or something like that. Ooh, nice. Kochanie, zobacz. I've got so many things here. We will have fun. So everybody is sitting here, you know, and we we're gonna make something like we put it on a head.
In Asia, we have this.
So the kielbasa, sausage, bread, and grill. We're gonna make it later, and that's all the flowers. Oh, we're gonna make something like that. You put it on the head. So beautiful. This is one of, they said this is one of the Polish tradition that I learned. You see, I learn many new things every day here. So nice.
Mogą, to są, znaczy ja nie zrobię zdjęcia z przyjemnością kompletową, ale jak ktoś chce takie zdjęcie, proszę do mnie i podpisuję zgodę na...
Proszę, to dla Ciebie, mój drogi, załatwione nawet bez
Na stronie Fundacji Kultura Atrakcja do pobrania, do obejrzenia i do... Zdjęcia są piękne, przepiękne, dlatego zachęcam. Sznurków. Wianek na sznurku. Zależało nam na tym, żeby pokazać Wam, że wianek można zrobić niekoniecznie taką metodą florystyczną, tylko z wykorzystaniem, muszę się obracać, słuchajcie, z wykorzystaniem sznurka i tego, co nazbierałyście sobie na spacerze. Można wykorzystać oczywiście to, co mamy w ogrodzie, czyli na...
Kochanie, look, I make like this. So pretty. You see? Oh, look at this. Oh my god, I feel so welcome. They grilling the cabanos, and then the Polish music there, the trees. It's very nice.
Okay, the song is she was making the gates and she was putting them into the water. It's the song.
Oh wow! So every like 23rd of June, we have to throw the flowers and put in the water. Nice, nice, very nice. Oh my god, I feel like I wanna cry. Oh, nice, nice. Awesome. So the band, the rap music, actually the Polish traditional music, and then that's the music where you know, you throw the flowers in the water. And
Yes, he was finding them, yeah. And the boy was searching for it.
oh yes, and the man gonna finding the lady who owned the flowers. Very interesting tradition. Kohane, so much. Look, see, so pretty. Very nice, right? With my flower dress, it's nice. I really like it. Woohoo! And they have a grilling like this. Grill the kielbasa with the toast. Oh, so nice. And that's in front of the hi. That's the river. So the tradition is that they will throw the flower to the river, and next the guys will pick up the flowers, and that lady will become their wife. Something like that they told me about. Oh, that's so pretty. So nice. And people are grilling behind me, dancing. So nice. I really learned a lot of the Polish tradition today. They told me so many things. It's so nice to learn new things and be surrounded by the warmth of the hospitality. So this one is kielbasa. Tak? Oh, so big.
How many of them? We need only one.
You can take two and you just put it together. Yeah, only okay.
Oh, that's so lovely. See? Woohoo!
Look, she's eating bread.
Oh, tak. So now,
It's supposed to be close or far away.
I don't know, maybe closer. So this one.
You look great with your food. It's my first time.
Look, so I also have something like this, grilling the kielbasa. So fun. So we will smell like a burnt kielbasa then. Oh, that's so lovely. Ooh, with the kielbasa. kielbasa and the music behind. Oh, woohoo! Ahoy! Oh, look at this. Nice. Oh. So this is my kielbasa, bread, mustard, and ketchup. Smacznego! Nice. So I have my kielbasa with the toast and nice. Kochanie, zobacz, kielbasa, tomato and mustard. Smacznego.
Jak tam ludzie naprawdę myślę, że na koniec
So
się
nice.
okazało, że jest podsiadło.
Right, I'm already in the lift in my apartment. So nice. I think that's all of my video today, guys. I have so much fun time and my tummy is full. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.